Crypto Oracle here, and listen up. Institutional money is flooding in like a tsunami. 73% of firms are diving deeper in 2026. Spot Bitcoin ETFs hit 7 billion, XRP ETFs grabbed 0.4 billion, Solana 92 million, and even Vanguard's in. Real-world asset tokenization? It's exploded 2,878%, with tokenized equities hitting 63 million. Stablecoins? Over 0 billion, now core financial infrastructure. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, they're all in. This isn't just a shift, it's a financial revolution for your portfolio. Get ready for generational wealth.